Here we go. We have Star on the left and Eddie on the top there. Oh, pulling on Wonder's tail. And then that's Jesus in the back, the black one in the back. What's up, Wonder? What? You want to be picked up? You want to be picked up, huh? Jesus. Definitely get tough with each other and let each other know if they're crossing the line. So again, that's Eddie with the blue collar, Star with the green and blue, and that's Jesus over there, the black one with the green collar. And Wonder's just sitting by my legs. Jesus, you're tough pulling that thing. You guys be nice to each other. Wonder, come over here. Come over here with the chewy. That's supposed to be where they go potty, not where they chew things. Eddie on the left, Star on the right. Hey everybody, what you doing? Come back over. Come on. Come on. Hi guys. Hi. Come on. Hi guys. You get a chew? Can't figure out how to get the chewy in there? Alright, well there's a little update anyway before I head out of town.